Hello and welcome to Shortcuts, the weekly show where I teach you how to do something cool in your Lightworks video editor in 2 minutes or less. My name is David Winter, I'm a video editor here at Lightworks, and today I want to talk to you about proxies. Now, proxies are a great way to speed things back up if you're experiencing slowdown when you try and play footage back on your timeline. It might be slowing down because of the power of your computer, the complexity of the footage. There's a number of reasons, but proxies speed things back up by making a smaller version of your video file to use when editing and then replacing that with the full high quality version when you're done. It sounds complex, it's not really, but it is one of those things that's easier to show rather than tell. So let's get our 2-minute timer up on the screen now and dive right in. So here we are inside Lightworks, and you can see I've dumped a load of high quality footage onto my timeline here. And if we play that back, yeah, you can see it's not playing back as smoothly as we'd like. So let's get going with some proxies. First thing we're going to do is click on our project card up here on the top left. And then we're going to go to Media and make sure the Proxies tab is selected. And here you can find your settings for proxies. We've got it set to 360, which is the resolution, 360p. And obviously you can see that the quality is set to low. That's great. The smaller that we make our clip or the lower quality we make it, the better it's going to play back while we're editing. Once you know your settings are correct, simply find the clip that you want to make a proxy for, right click, go to Media, and then click Make Proxy. That is literally all it takes. So we're just going to watch the bar go up here as the proxy is generated. Right, once the bar's done, that means our proxy's finished, so we'll get rid of this little pop-up down here, and then we'll play that back again in our timeline. It's playing back a little bit better, but it's still a bit more janky than we'd like. There's a good reason for this. Lightworks automatically adjusts the quality of the video it's playing back depending on how large you have the footage on your screen. If you always want to make sure it's the lowest quality proxy playing so you're guaranteed to have the smoothest editing experience, there's a way to set that. We're just going to go back to the project card on the top left. This time go to the Video tab and then make sure you've got Output selected. You'll see you've got an option down here called Playback Media Quality. This is what we're going to change. So simply set it from automatic to lowest available. This ensures that Lightworks will always use the lowest quality version of the proxy rather than whichever one it thinks is going to work best for the size of playback window that you have. So if we exit out of that now and then play the clip back again, now we've got lowest available selected, and there you go, perfect. You can see that while the quality of the clip is lower, the playback is as smooth as anything. In case you're thinking that's great, but I don't want to export out a lower quality clip when I'm done, don't worry. When you go to export your footage, no matter what, Lightworks will automatically use the higher quality version of the clip, not the proxy version. This is literally just for the editing process to make things easier for you. There we go, hopefully that makes sense. That's proxies in a nutshell. If you get stuck or you just got any questions about it, fire them off in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them for you. And in the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe, all of that YouTubey goodness so you get notified every time there's a new episode of Shortcuts. Thanks for watching.